And today, wait, we're just gonna take it off. I'm gonna take it off.
Bruh.
So today we're gonna do the handcuff challenge for 24 hours. This is kind of gonna be difficult because that's them. Okay, guys. So yeah. So we started the challenge, and we'll get back to you guys in just we'll get back to you guys at 12 o'clock to see how we've done so far. Right now it's 10:59, so we'll get back at you guys at 12 o'clock. So peace. Come to find out, we're not gonna do the 24-hour haircut challenge because look at our arm. Wait, y'all can't see it. Look, my arm is really scratched up. Look, from just the heck. From just having these handcuffs on, they're really scratched up. Like, that's really crazy, and it hurt. Like, I just can't do it. I just can't. I don't know how all the other YouTubers can do this, because I cannot do it. I just can't. Like, I don't know.
I'm her hairstylist, guys.
No, you're not.
I'm her hairstylist.
But I just can't do this. So, we're not going to do the 24-hour handcuff challenge. That's why it hurt. Like, it hurt. My arm, I feel like it's going to get cut. And plus, how are we supposed to go to the bathroom? No. So yeah, guys, we're not gonna do it, but our next video we're gonna have something very good that y'all have to come and check out. It's gonna be a prank, but I'm not gonna say on who. So make sure you guys like and subscribe and comment.